The core principle of FacilityQuest is that you can upload any floor plan and then drop blue dots on areas where you want to collect data about that space. In this video, we're demonstrating a way to very quickly place many dots simply by clicking on the floor plan. We call this click mode. To be able to place new dots, I first need to unlock the floor plan. Now I see the palette of dots, and I'm going to choose the dot A1 because this will automatically label the dots sequentially. And I'm going to choose click mode here. I can click on the floor plan repeatedly to add blue dots with incrementing stops. I will hit escape to exit click mode. Wherever I see a chair, I'm going to click a blue dot, and I just can keep clicking. And you can notice that the numbers are sequentially going up. And in this case, I'm not worrying about what order I'm placing things, because if I need to reorder them, I can come up to here and reset where I want my route to start, and I'll go back into click mode, and I'm going to hit start again. And I can say, you know what, the door is here and I want my observer to come in this way, so I'm going to renumber 1, 2. So there you have it. It's very simple to lay down the blue dots in a sequential order, and it's very simple to reorder them simply by clicking on them again. And I'm going to hit escape now, and I'm no longer in click mode. I can choose one of these dots and then start adding data about it, such as the space type. Thank you for watching.